Good evening, everyone. Welcome back with the additional of today's newspaper on Tuesday, January the 7th, 2025. We have here seven extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, 2 stars, 3 stars, 4 stars Sudoku, two jigsaw Sudokus, one with 4 stars, one with 1 star. In Dutch, they call it Cyberblock. In Japanese, Suguru. And the last puzzle is the binary puzzle. These puzzles, I'm not interested. Total of seven extra puzzles. Four of them I will solve this evening. Not all. Why not? Well, it's too much for me, time consuming, and I need the same time for uploading it to YouTube. And besides, I've already solved three regular puzzles this afternoon, so it's a lot of puzzles for a day. Too much. Um, yeah, it's not a day job for me for solving Sudokus. Anyway, yeah, let's get started with the first one. First one is the Three Stars Sudoku, number 9857. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one is 28. That's a lot for a 3 stars. 3 stars puzzle always has 25. This one has 3 digits more. Should be a 0 stars. For 0 stars puzzle, I need 13 minutes. Well, it's indicated by the publisher with the 3 stars. For a 3 stars puzzle, 20 to 30 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. Alright, question is this a 3 stars or 0 stars puzzle? We don't know, we'll see. So let's get started. Alright. Four missing numbers in this big square. Two of those missing numbers are the 4 and 8. We have 4 and 8 in this column, so no 4 and 8 in these two boxes. 4 and 8 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 4 and 8, 4 and 8. We have an 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be here. The 4 goes there, so 2 numbers left in this big square. For the numbers, the 1, the 2 is missing, and the 3 is missing. 2 and the 3, 2 and 3. Let me mark those two boxes. Let me see, can I do this the same here? No. 5 in this row, 5 in the second row. So in the third row, the only two places left, the 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 there, 5 should be here. 5 in the last column, 5 in the column next. So that column, the only place left, the 5 should be there. So 2 numbers left now. In this column, 4 numbers, the 1 is missing. The 2 and the 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 1 and 6, 1 and 6. Let me mark those two boxes. So now 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row. So the row above, the only two places left, the 5 should be here or there. We have 5 in this column, no 5 there, 5 should be here. 4 in this column, 4 in that column, so the column between the middle column, the only two places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have 4 in this row, no 4 there, 4 should be there. And then yeah. 7 in this row, 7 in the row below, so last row. Only 3 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We have 7 in the third column, no 7 there. 7 in the second column, no 7 there. Only place left for the 7 should be there. Yeah. 8 in this row, 8 in the row below, so last row, the only two places left for 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in the middle column, no 8 there, 8 should be here. 8 in this column, 8 in the middle column, so the column next. Only 2 places left for 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in this row, no 8 there, 8 should be here. 8 in this row, 8 in the middle row, so the row below. Only 2 places left for 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in the first column, no 8 there, 8 should be there. 8 in the third row, 8 in the first row, so the row between second row, the only two places left for 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in this column, no 8 there, 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used, I can see. Digit number 1, number 8. 7 in the first row, 7 in the third row, so the row between the second row. The only two places left with the 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in the middle column, no 7 there, 7 should be there. 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column, so the column next. The only two places left for the 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 there, 7 should be there. 7 in this row, 7 in the middle row, so the row above. The only two places left for the 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in the last column, no 7 there, 7 should be there. And all the 7s are used. I can see digit number 2, number 7. Then let me see. 1, need 2. Need a 6 here. 6, 6. Come on. 5 in the third column, 5 in the second column. So the first column, the only two places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have 5 in this row, no 5 there, 5 should be there. We have all the 5s, and all the 5s are used. I can see. This is number 3, number 5. Yeah. 4 in the last column, 4 in that column, so the column between. Only two places left for the 4. Should be here or there. We have 4 in the second row, no 4 there, 4 should be here. 4, 4, okay. 4, 4, 4. 4, cannot continue with 4. 3, 3. Need 2 here. And I need a 9. Yeah. 9 here, okay. In this big square, 3 missing numbers. Those missing numbers are the 1, 2 is missing, 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing. 2, 3, 9. 2, 3, 9, 2, 3, 9, 2, 3, 9. And look, this box can be a 9. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. And this box can be a 3. We have a 3 in this column, so no 3 there. So the 3 and the 9 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 9 and 3, 9 and 3. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 2. 1 box left in this column for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, the 9 is missing. Then 9, 9. In this big square, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 9. In this big square, 4 missing numbers. Well, we have a 9 in this column, so no 9 in this box. We have a 9 in the second row, no 9 in that box. So the 9 in this big square, cube in here, cube there. So we have a 9 in one of those two boxes in this row. So this box can be a 9 and more. That box should be a 9, and this box should be a 3. Come on. 3, 3, 3. So these 3 missing numbers in this big square are the numbers. 1 is missing, 2 is missing, 3, 4, 5, 6 is missing. 1, 2, 6. Okay. 2, 3, I need a 9 here or there. Yeah. 9. Come on. 2 in the third row, 2 in the second row. So in the first row, the only two places left of the 2 goes together with the 9 as a pair. So the other pair in this big square, other numbers, the 1 is missing, the 2, 3 is missing, 1 and 3, 1 and 3. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 there, 1 should be here, and a 3 goes there. 1 and a 6, we have a 1 in the second row, no 1 there, 1 should be here, and a 6 goes there. 1 box left now in the first row for the number, the 1, the 2, the 3, 4, the 5, the 6 is missing here. Yeah. Need a 3. 3 in the first row, 3 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only place level 3 should be there. So 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. 1 and 4, 1 and 4. 3, 3. 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place level 1 should be here. So 2 numbers left now here for numbers 2 and 9. 2 and 9. Let me mark those 2 and 9. Here also 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1. 2 is missing. 3, 4, 5. 6 is missing. 2 and 6. 2 and 6. Cannot fill this yet. Here 2 numbers left. The 2 in the 6 in this column. I need a 1 here. In this big square, we need a 1. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 in these 3 boxes. So the 1 in this big square could be here, could be there. 1 and a 4, we have a 1 in one of those 2 boxes in the first column. So no 1 there, 1 should be here. 4 goes there. 1 in this column, 1 in one of those 2 boxes in the first column. So the column between second column, the only 3 places left for the 1 should be here, here, or there. We have 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 in the last row, no 1 there. The only place left for the 1 should be there. 4 in this row, 4 in the last row, so the row between. The only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have 4 in the first column, no 4 there, 4 should be there. 4 in the third column, 4 in the first column, so the column between the second column, the only place left for the 4 should be there. 2 missing numbers now in the second column for the numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5, 6 is missing, and the 7 and 8 and 9 is missing, 6 and 9, 6 and 9. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and 9 goes there. 2 missing numbers now in this big square for numbers 1. The 2 is missing, and the 3 is missing. 2 and the 3, 2 and the 3. Let me mark those. Here we have a pair 2 and the 3. That means 1 digit left in the last row for number, I believe the 9. 1, 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing here, okay. 2 or a 9, we have a 9 now, so this box should be a 2. 2 or 6, we have a 2 now, so this box should be a 6. 2 or 6, we have a 6 in this column, so this box should be a 2. 2 or 6, we have a 2 here, so this box should be a 6. 2 and a 9, we have a 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for the number. The 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. 2 or 3, we have a 3 in this row, so this can be 3 and more. That box should be a 3, and this box should be a 2. 2 and a 3, we have a 3 now in the last row, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 1 box left in this third column for number. The 1, the 2 is missing. Then, let me see. 2 in this row, 2 in that row, so the row between the middle row, the only place level 2 should be there, so the other 2 numbers should be the 1 and the 6. We have 1 in this row, no 1 there, 1 should be in, the 6 goes there. 1 in this row, 1 in that row, so the row between the middle row, the only place level 1 should be there, and the final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers 1 and 2, 3 is missing, the 4 to 5, 6 is missing, 3 and 6, 3 and 6. We have a 3 in this row, no 3 there, 3 should be here. And the 6 goes there. Finished in 30 minutes. Well, we solved it again. Told you it should be a 0 stars puzzle. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it a solve by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And I will see you in a minute with the other 3 puzzles. Until then, bye-bye for now.